Yeah, good day everyone. Uh, Talking about Forex. The previous class we've talked about introduction to financial market, where it talks about the various type of financial instruments. We talk about the derivative, the stocks, the bonds, the forex exchange market, the real estate market, and so many of them. Today we'll be talking about Forex majorly. And as we all know from our last class, we talked about derivatives. Well, we cannot go to practical without understanding the key things. You have to know that is the essence of doing the theoretical aspect of it. Personally, I'm not a theory man, I like being practical, but before the practical, you have to have the knowledge of what you are going into. So when we get to practical, you won't be like, you don't understand, you don't know what this one mean. So that is the essence, and I implore you all to read. But when you read, you get the secret in everything. So without wasting much of our time, talking about introduction to Forex. What is traded in Forex? What is Forex? Forex is a foreign exchange market. Also refers to as the Forex or the retail Forex, the FX, the spot FX. Those are the different type of name it's being called. It is the largest financial market in the world with a volume of over 6 trillion traded on a daily basis. If you compare to that of 25 billion a day volume that the New York Stock Exchange trades, you can easily see how enormous the foreign exchange market really trade. You can easily see how enormous the foreign exchange market really trade. This is actually equated to more than 3 times the total amount of the stocks and future market combined together. So very shortly, a spot market is any market that deals with the currency price of a financial instrument. That is what is what's called spot market. You can use the same definition in the stock, in the bond definitions, and in derivatives. You have different type of currency. You have the US dollar, the British pound, the euros, the JPY, Australian dollars, Canadian, the New Zealand, and so many of them. But people just say what is traded in foreign, what is traded in foreign. But before that, foreign currency symbols are always 3 letters, where the first 2 letters identify the name of the country and the third letter identify the name of that country currency. Now, what is traded in forex? If you check what is traded in forex, the simple answer is money. Forex trading is simultaneous buying of one currency and the selling of another. Very simple. Currency are traded through a broker or a dealer and are traded in pairs. For example, the euros and the US dollars, or the British pounds and the US dollars. So that is just in general, the exchange rate of a country versus another currency is a reflection of the condition of that economy, of that country's economy, compared to other countries' economy. All you need to get started is very simple. You need a laptop, a computer, you need a high-speed internet connection, a smartphone, and a proper guide. When I mean a proper guide, it can be a mentor you are following or somebody you are looking up to for a guide. But there are some few things you need to know about the forex market size and liquidation. The forex market is the largest and the most liquid market in the world, which is the number one thing you need to know. You also need to know the US dollar make up the majority of the forex transaction. And thirdly, the forex market deep liquidity is advantageous to traders by allowing them to enter and exit the market instantaneously. And finally, the size and the depth of forex markets make it an ideal trading market. Its liquidity make it easy for traders to sell and buy currencies without delay. They create tight spread for favorable quotes, low costs, large scopes to various markets, and flexible trading time that makes it the most frequently traded market in the world. The article will clarify the enormity of forex trading, which allows for a better understanding of the merchandise or the mechanism behind it or a macro scale, ultimately providing a solid foundation to forex trading for beginners to the advanced. It's very simple. So all you need to know, told you need a smartphone and a computer and a high internet speed and a mentor. With these 4 things, you are good to go in forex. Thank you. See you in 2.1 class, where we'll be talking about how big is the forex market. They'll also be talking about the volume of tradings, and we'll also talk about how to take advantage of the forex market. Thank you.